Today I'll be cooking curry goat, which is a fairly traditional Caribbean dish and a lot of people love it. I'll be showing you how to cook it today. Firstly, we need to ensure that all our seasonings are in the meat and left to marinate overnight. In doing this, it really brings out the flavour in the meat. Next, what we'll be doing is cooking the meat in a big pot like this, but we'll need to heat up some oil and keep the cooker on a medium heat. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll then add the meat into the pot. We'll need to sear the meat for a maximum of 10 minutes. And once it has been sealed and browned, we'll add some hot water from the kettle and leave it to boil. We'll leave it for about an hour or so and just check to make sure that it's cooking well, and maybe refilling the pot with water just to ensure the meat doesn't dry out. Cooking goat is a long process and can take up to 4 hours in total. Once the goat is near completion, we'll add some peeled potatoes 10 minutes prior to the end of cooking. So that's it, really. Next, I'll be showing you what ingredients we'll be needing to add. Let's go.